Hi, this is Morgan Walton. This is Module 9, People First Language. To begin, what is People First Language? This is the first time I had ever heard of People First Language, and all it means is that you put the person before the disability. You describe what a person has, not what a person is. For example, she has a physical disability as opposed to she is physically disabled. In the first example, you're putting the person first and saying that she has a disability, as opposed to the second example saying that she is her disability. The critique language used in my building in the past. After reading about People First Language, I really started to notice how much people in my building have used inappropriate language. For example, she's a SPED kid. Teachers say that all the time. I am just as guilty of that as any other. It's a label and it's not right. He is MR. He is stuck in his wheelchair. He is physically disabled. She was born that way. The poor girl is going to struggle her whole life. And what is he, autistic? And the response, yeah, he is autistic. This language does not put the person first. This language puts the disability first and labels that person as being their disability as opposed to having their disability. Propose more appropriate language to use. Instead of she's a SPED kid, say she receives special education services. Instead of he is MR, you could say he has a developmental disability. Instead of he is stuck in his wheelchair, he uses a wheelchair. Instead of he is physically disabled, he has a physical disability. Instead of she was born that way, she has spina bifida. Instead of she's going to struggle her whole life, say she is so strong. Show the positive and how hard this child works, despite any disability that she may have. Instead of saying, yeah, he is autistic, he has autism. He is not his disability. He has autism. And here are my references that I used for this presentation. Thank you.